Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. For my returning subscribers, God bless you for your wonderful love and support, for checking on my videos every time, watching them, commenting loudly, and liking them. May the Lord bless you. If you're new here, I promise you are the right place. Consider to subscribe to my channel at the end of this video. Click on the notification bell and click on all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Welcome once again. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I prepare this strawberry beetroot smoothie. It is good for weight loss, it's an immune booster, and it is easy to prepare. Not only that, I will share with you all the health benefits in the ingredients I use to prepare them. So if you don't want to miss any of this, please don't go away. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. For the ingredients, I have 1 tablespoon of honey, 150 grams of Greek yogurt, 4 strawberries, half beef root cooked, and a piece of ginger. So feel free to adjust all these ingredients to your taste, okay? So I'll begin by cutting this ginger. As you can see, it's already clean and washed. I'll cut them into pieces and throw them into the blender. Before we proceed, let me share with you the health benefits of ginger. According to research, do you know that ginger is an anti-diabetic? It has digestive support, boosts immunity. It is an anti-inflammatory. It also heals ulcers. It is antifungal. It reduces pain. Ginger fights cancer, also aids in weight loss, and many more. So my lovely people, after watching this video, you will know more about the health benefits of these ingredients I'm using today. So now I'm going to add the beetroot. It has benefits as well. I mean the health benefits. It prevents dementia. It helps to lower your blood pressure, helps curing arthritis, combats anemia, controls diabetes. It improves your stamina. Do you know that it also has an anti-aging properties? It moisturizes your dry skin. Beetroot promotes your hair growth too. Hey, it improves your liver function. Do you know that it reduces inflammation as well? Helps prevent cancer and many more. So after cutting this beetroot, I'm going to throw it into the blender as well. So I'm going to add the next ingredients. That's the strawberries. Strawberries has its health benefits as well, according to research. Do you know that strawberry can regulate your blood pressure, promotes your eye health, boosts your immune system? Yes, so it's an anti-inflammatory as well. Do you know that strawberries is an antibacterial? It is rich in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and so many more. Do you know that strawberry is an anti-cancer, antiviral? It aids in weight management, helpful in pregnancy. It reduces the risk of stroke. So many health benefits in this strawberry, to mention but few. So my lovelies, now you know why you eat strawberry. Because so many of us, we take strawberry but we don't know the health benefits. So as you can see, I'll chop the strawberry. It's already washed before now. As I told you, all the ingredients are clean and washed before I started. So I'm going to put all of them in the blender. Now I'm going to add the honey. So many of us use honey, but we don't know why. Why should you use honey? Because it prevents cancer and heart disease. It reduces ulcer and other gastric intestine disorders. Do you know that it is antibacterial, antifungal? It helps in blood sugar regulation. It reduces cough and throat irritation. Strengthens your immune system. Oh. A lot of health benefits from honey. So with this, you can be able to know why you take honey, not only for the sweetness, but also it is very healthy. Now I'm going to add the natural yogurt, the Greek yogurt. So in the health benefits, natural yogurt is not exempted. According to research, natural yogurt is so healthy. It is good for digestive system. It is packed with vitamins. It is rich source of protein. Everybody should know that. Good for your bones. Do you know that natural yogurt helps you to lower your blood pressure and it curbs your hunger? So many health benefits. You can imagine when we put all these ingredients together to make our smoothie. We are being loaded with a lot of goodies. So putting all of them together in the blender, blend them until they are smooth. Let's go. So let me use this opportunity to appreciate all of you that are watching this video. And all my returning subscribers, God bless you for your wonderful support. As you can see, the smoothie is ready. You know one good thing about the smoothie, as you have had all these health benefits, the smoothie is good for weight loss, it's good for breakfast, it is good to maintain your weight, it is also good, so nutritious, to boost your immune system, as you have heard all the ingredients, how healthy and how beneficial they are to our health. I would like you to give it a try at home and your family will enjoy the day with you. I promise you this drink is very refreshing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. So till next time, eat healthy and stay safe. See you in my next video. God bless you and bye for now.